Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1999 Skyline GTR by Takara Tomy from their Tomica Unlimited series, and this is from Fast X movie. So the moment I saw this, I was like, I really wanted to have this because I do have the original Skyline, which Paul Walker drove in, the very first two movies. Okay, it's very hard to open. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, this box is really neck to neck if you ask me. Let me just, yeah, got it. So this, I'm not really sure why they're packing it this way. They could have just kept it like this and no, without moving this pieces, like a sturdy piece here and then just put the car. And I'm not sure why they are going with this kind of. There's nothing else inside the box. And I think I bought this for somewhere around 1499 from Facebook. Okay, let me just take this out. Okay. So here is the first impressions of this castings are, wow, that looks so beautiful. I mean, the glittery blue, it really shines really well. And there are some dust here, which is fine. It has acrylic for headlights. The GTR badging looks really nice. The turn indicators are painted. The rims looks really awesome. And okay, so the spoiler here, okay, the spoiler is plastic, and the tail light details are actually painted. That is not acrylic or anything. V-spec. Okay, so rest everything is painted here, and the chassis is plastic and it has some good amount of detailing to it, and it is feeling a bit heavy if you ask me, and it has hood detailing to it. So I personally loved that Brian's GTR, the Skyline. That was really an awesome one. So this comes close to that one. You can see the logo placement here, which is really nice. And if you guys are wondering, the wheels are actually plastic, that is not rubber. And it has openable doors as well, which is really nice and snappy, unlike the Nissan which we unboxed yesterday, which was not really that good. I'm not sure if it is a issue or it is supposed to behave like that. This is really nice. It snaps back to its place very nice. You can see the rear view mirror here, the windshield. It has a very minor scratch on the back side of rear windshield. But apart from that, I don't see any issue with the car. Maybe, I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure, or whether it's paint or something. Okay. So there's a lot of dust actually, maybe because it's coming from my hand itself. Because there is a construction going on, two construction going on outside, and every dust is coming inside our home. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, it feels heavy, so I'm hoping that it will come somewhere around 45 grams. Let's see. Okay, 48 grams, better. Okay, that is really heavy, so I'm hoping that this will also roll really well, like the Nissan which we unboxed yesterday. Okay, the front wheel wobbles a lot, as you can see, but it rolls okay if you ask me. The rear wheel also wobbles a little bit, which makes the car roll a little bit like this. But overall, the casting is a really good casting. So see, unfortunately I have some small scratch here, but I'm not sure. See, when it comes to Tomica, I never faced much of an issue so far. Maybe this week, maybe one or two castings, whatever I had, it had some paint rashes and all these things. But like 95% of the time, it will be like I can see very good detailing on Tomicas. I never had any issue. I personally love every Tomica. I do have a TLV as well. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I will be unboxing that, soon. So stay tuned for that as well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.